Not our usual spawn repair video, but this customer has popped in with an old regimental Sgian Dubh that had been passed down to him, but he was struggling to wear it. The leather sheath has completely deteriorated and it's not holding the component parts anymore, meaning that he's not able to slide it in and out. So he asked if we could completely replace the leather part of this for him. So of course we said we could help him with that, and for anyone who's interested, it's stamped on the back there with W. Jardine & Sons, who are regimental military tailors. Part of our repair process is trying to replicate as closely as possible to the original. In this case, there was no stitch holes and the leather had been wrapped round thin cards, so we did exactly the same as the original, and Maro's just putting a weight on this to hold the glue in place. Then he's just wiping off any excess glue before putting the metal casings back onto the original piece there. Here's a quick recap of what it looked like before. And here's the after. Our customer was extremely happy with it and he was able to wear it to his event at the weekend.